Stirrup Leggings are designed with a wideband waist, and the elasticated top is meant to keep them in place all day. Featuring 2 side pockets for storing your valuables when you are on the go. An impressive stitching in detail will highlight your butt, curves and waist, and will give you a perfect look for any occasions.
Hi everyone, my name is Kali and welcome to my channel.
Download the PDF layered pattern in A4 and A0 format from my Etsy shop with 10 sizes from 6 to 24 and instructions with a detailed cut and sewing. The link to the pattern is available in the description below. Let's get into the tutorial. For this project, I recommend a jersey fabric with a 4-way stretch and 25% of spandex. Take the pockets and hem the top as follows. Fold down the top of the pocket by 1 cm or 0.39 inches, wrong side facing, and give it a press. Cover lock the hemline. Place the pocket wrong side facing on the yoke, which is right side facing, and pin it down. Match the yoke line with the back pants piece and put a few notches or marks both sides of the yoke and pants line and make sure they are perpendicular to this line. This step will help you in the assembling process of the yoke to the pants. Place the yoke over the back pants, right side facing, and match the notches on the curve line. Pin the yoke to the pants and then overlock it. Press the seam down and cover lock it. Match the front piece with the back piece on the side seams. Put a few notches or marks both sides of the side seams and make sure they are perpendicular to this line. This step will help you in the assembling process of the front piece to the back piece. Place the front piece over the back piece, right side facing, match the notches and pin it down. Sew along the side seam. overlock the side seam. Press the side seam towards the front piece and cover lock it from the top till the end of the curved line. Fold the front piece over the back piece, right side facing, match the inner sides and sew them together with the overlocker. Assembling of the two pants leg. Turn one of the pants leg right side out and the other pants leg inside out. Put the pants leg that is right side out inside of the one that is inside out. Stitch around the center back and the center front to connect them. Overlock this curve. Prepare the waistbands. Place the front waistband on top of the back waistband, right side facing, align the side seams and stitch them together with the overlocker. Repeat this step with the second set of waistbands. Assembling of the waistbands. Turn one of the waistband right side out and the other waistband inside out. Put the waistband that is right side out inside the one that is inside out. Measure the side seams and stitch around the waistline at 1 cm or 0.39 inches. Take the elastic and put it around your waist to determine the length you need. Match the two ends and sew them together. This joint point of the elastic will correspond to one of the waistband side seam. To determine the other point, fold the elastic in half and put a mark on the elastic on the opposite side. Place one edge of the elastic over the waistband's top seam and make sure you align the elastic's edge with the waistband stitch. Match the 2 points of the elastic with the waistband side seams and pin it down all the way around the waistband. Sew the elastic to the waistband seam at 0.5 centimeters or 0.19 inches. Top stitch the elastic to fix it to the waistline. The waistband right side out and put a basting stitch all the way around the hips line to fix the two waistbands together and prevent them from moving. Fold the waistband in two and match the side seams. The purpose of this step is to find the midpoint on the front and back waistband. Put a mark at these points as you will have to match them with the front and back pants center seams. Take the waistband and turn it wrong side out. Match the shoulder line with the waistband shoulder line and make sure to match as well the side seams and the center lines. Sew the parts together with the overlocker machine. Assembling and hemming of the stirrups. Turn the pants on the wrong side. Place the inner leg stirrups ends on top of the outer side by making sure to match the side seam. Sew them together with the overlocker. Make a small incision of 0.8 centimeters or 0.31 inches at the front of the stirrup right on the top in order to be able to fold the hem up. Fold the edges of the stirrup at the front and the back pants by 1 centimeter or 0.49 inches, wrong sides facing, and pin the hem down. Cover lock the hems at the front and the back.